Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Pepe. We're going to be analyzing the chart, see what is really happening with Pepe, and whether or not this could be a time where people start panicking for the price itself. Because I know if you guys are looking at the charts over the past few hours, you guys could be like, hey, what is really going on with Pepe? You know, we have lost that $600 million market cap support that, I've been talking about on my channel for the past week and a half now. So is this a time to worry, and how Pepe could react as we do go into the month of June? So this is a jam-packed update for you guys. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So before we get into the analysis, guys, just a quick request for everyone is that if you guys can go in the description box below, go follow me on Twitter. I really want to get my Twitter going. I really want to engage with you guys on there. So go give me a follow and let's get the Twitter family going there. So if we're looking at the price of Pepe right now, you guys can see there's still about 5 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 130, down 10% in all three USD, Bitcoin, and ETH comparatives over the last 24 hours. And if we're focusing on its market cap, the market cap is currently sitting at $543 million. So clearly we can see that, we are below that $600 million support. And the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $115 million. So, we got a lot of things to discuss and, see what exactly is happening. But before we do that, you guys know we're going to go on their Twitter, see what is going on, any news that we can cover. So you guys can see, if I'm looking at it 21 hours ago, it says to remember and honor Memorial Day, Pepe. If we keep going down, Liberty, Pepe, and, just pretty much that's it. Nothing else as far as announcement goes. So I've shared that in my Mill Lady update that I just made for you guys not too long ago, and in there I kind of discussed with you guys that what we're seeing with Pepe and Mill Lady and other meme coin projects is that quite a similar pattern. You guys need to engage your audience in a way where they kind of forget about the price and kind of just build up a community. A community is where you guys come together, really push and just have fun at the end of the day. And just these repetitive tweets, to be honest, I'm not a big fan of that. And I've said, I will criticize where I think being criticized. Wow, I can't even speak right now because I'm so excited whenever I'm making these updates. So criticizing is what I mean. So criticizing, I'm gonna be quite honest. If there's areas where I think it could be worked on, that's one thing I'm going to point out. And Pepe, if they're developers or whoever's watching, I really do believe that they need to come up with a contest or some sort of fun thing where community can come together to really have a great time. But other than that, everything is going in terms of the growth potential. It's still there. Everyone's still talking about it. Now if we're looking at Etherscan, you guys can see we're still holding above 116,000 holders. Yes, we have seen a little bit of a decrease in the holder count. Of course, that's going to happen when Pepe does retrace. That's going to be part of the game, but overall everything is still looking quite well. But now, of course, the question of the hour, is this a time to worry? Could we potentially see more downwards momentum? So let's shift our focus towards the charts. So before I begin, you guys know the good old disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at its market cap, of course, it's no secret at this point, it is below that $600 million market cap. And if I look at it from a closer time frame, you guys can see how important that level of support really was. And we bounced around it a few times, but we lost that support and saw the price go below that $600 million market cap. But again, we're finding ourselves see more support coming in our way. And this support, guys, now this support that I'm referring to is extremely important for Pepe to hold. And you can see this for yourself. We're seeing support right here. And some support when we were breaking towards the upside when parabolic season was really happening within the price of Pepe. But we can clearly see there's quite a bit of support where the current price is currently sitting at. So the question is, are we about to see Pepe drop lower and retest those May 12th lows? Is that a possibility right now, or are we going to see a bounce back towards the upside? Of course, it would be beautiful to see a bounce back towards the upside. The reason as to why I think this even happened is because of whale manipulation. I honestly think it's whale manipulation at its finest right now, because if we go across the markets right now, majority of the meme coins, guys, are in green. Look at it even on the 7-day time frame, majority are in green. And BTC dominance has also taken a little bit of a retracement. So, main reason as to why I think Pepe has retraced is because of the fact that, we are seeing a whale manipulation occur, because, of course, I've said meme coins can be manipulated quite easily. I know Pepe has quite a big market cap, but even these type of projects can be manipulated really, really easily by big players. And, all these big players, some of them work with one another, and, they are shaking out the weak hands. And this is where you do not want to be getting shaken out, especially to the people that are leverage trading, man. Like, I cannot stress this enough, and I've said this from the beginning on my channel. Leverage trading is the worst thing about the crypto space. It's literally the worst thing, and I don't want any of my viewers, I know what happens. I've tried it, I've lost money in it, and I don't want my viewers making that mistake. Never fall for these leverage trading platforms, because these kind of moves most of the time do occur because of that. But remember, guys, Pepe has made a massive statement for itself. It is, projected to be the next Shiba Inu, but that's going to take time. I keep telling you guys, it's going to take time. There's going to be times where, there's going to be a lot of, scary times, of course, like, consolidation happening, manipulation occurring. But this is where you do not want to get shaken out. As long as you're following the 3 rules, as I've said to you guys, always do your own due diligence and research. Always invest where you can afford to lose. If you've done that, the number 3 rule is, of course, to just have patience. If you have done all those 3, guys, like I said, it would be just best to have patience and not panic, because these type of move, guys, if this is sometime you're not used to it, or something you're not used to, well, get used to it, because this crypto market, it is not considered the wild west of the crypto land for no reason. It is very, very interesting, and it can really be scary, especially if you're new. So that's what you guys want to get used to. So like I said, what I would love to see the price of Pepe do is reclaim that $600 million market cap as soon as possible. And I don't even think that is a big move. That would be like a 13% move to the upside from the current price levels. Roughly sitting at not even 10%, I would say. Yeah, roughly 10% move towards the upside. So reclaim that $600 million market cap, and then, keep trading sideways. I don't care. That would be totally okay for me. And, if Bitcoin is still holding quite strong, in my opinion, within the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. Last time Bitcoin was even at that price was back on May 10th. So earlier this month. So if we are able to break out of this level of resistance, guys, as we do go into the month of June, as I've said, a lot of people are getting excited for the month of June. That can bring a lot of interest in the crypto markets, and that is, of course, going to help Pepe itself as well. And I'm projecting that Pepe is going to shock a lot of people. I don't think it's over. I still think this project has what it takes to hit newer all-time highs. If we're looking at it from this time frame, you guys can see the charts don't look too bad. So of course, we're going to see these type of moves. We could even see it drop down to May 12th prices, but like I said, you do not want to get shaken out. It's just whales manipulating, and of course Bitcoin dominance, and as well as Bitcoin correlation, that all goes into it. But we need to look at the bigger picture. All these exchanges that are coming up to it, the community is growing at a tremendous rate. People are talking about Pepe on a daily basis. Everything is there for itself to really succeed and really be Shiba Inu's competitor. But of course, time is going to tell. Let me know down below what you guys think right now. What are you guys doing right now? Are you guys picking up some Pepe? Are you guys just holding? Where you could see the price of Pepe going at the end of this year, guys? Let me know at the end of this year. I'm not talking about where it's going at the end of the month or at the end of the next month. At the end of this year of 2023, let me know in the comment section. Love you all. See you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.